G'day again, it's Tony Park from Tasmania, Australia. This tribe we're going to talk about is one that people don't normally associate with their business, but it's the most important business tribe in your business or organisation. It's your family and friends. So many people think that business is about working hard, working 7 days a week, doing all these things, but it's got to be back for a purpose in your life. Back when I was selling caravans many years ago, with my dad and I, we worked 7 days a week, and you get into that groove, you get into that rut of working 7 days, and you turn up and you do your stuff, and at some point you've got to have a holiday. And we found it so difficult to have that time off with my new wife, when our children came along. It was just really difficult because she was taken out of that rut, out of that groove. So it's important how you work with your family and friends to be able to get that feeling, get that support in that business as you go along. But there's a further secret of your family and friends. Using that tribe philosophy that we've talked about before, working with them is to keep them happy, because they've all got friends. I got 3 sisters, and we used to fight, and they've gone off and done their own thing. So we're not, in our case, we aren't as close as what we are. Some families are really close, some aren't so close. Some families have abusive relationships between husband and wives and significant others. And that creates those tensions within that family, which relate back to the business, but also you actually lose those particular contacts with those tribes of those people. So just imagine with myself, I've got 3 sisters, they live in different parts of Australia. They're looking to be able to come as tourists into Tasmania. They've all got 20 or 30 people in their different tribes. There's 100, 150 people, potential customers for me to come to our motel. But as long as I look after those people within my family tribe. If you don't, and you have that conflict between you and your family, then you don't get the advantage to be able to engage those tribes. It's about that, making those friends. I've just come back from a conference, and I saw lots of people running around with business cards. You know, they were giving cards out, but they weren't making engagement. They weren't making that friendship that creates those bonds, creates those ties that can help your business. There was so many that talked about their product, talked about their services, but they didn't listen to what the other people had and how you might be able to do some business together. Or you even might have something that they might have a problem with, or their friends and family may have problems with, which you have a solution for. So it's understanding that win-win situation, that your family and friends are really important within your business. They're just not there, and they've always been there. They're not just there so you can have a beer or wine or a chat at some point. They're there both as a support mechanism, but also an opportunity to be able to engage with their tribes so you can give your solutions for their problems as well. Thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to learn how I've helped businesses all over the world create over $150 million in value with their business tribes, then make sure to click the link in the description and head over and sign up for the free training I'm hosting.